Hi, how are my weekly stats for my branded rotator system doing? This is an email I just sent out. This is here as our weekly stats for my GDI branded rotator system. Now, how is it a branded rotator? It's because anybody who wants to, who's familiar with Leadsleap or willing to go through the training with Leadsleap, I have all the videos to show you how to set it up. You do need to have an upgraded Leadsleap account. So you need a GDI account and a Leadsleap account. But Leadsleap is incredible. It's got an autoresponder. No matter how big your list gets, the price never goes up. It's 27 bucks. And you can set up my branded system from just share codes. It's so easy, okay? And then with my branded system, there's built-in traffic to it. So you can click the link below this video and take a look at it. But here's the what we have for our weekly stats. We hit almost 50,000 hits a week this week alone from Friday. Now, today, after I'm done with this, I will reset the stats and start all over and go from there. Now, it's optional for you to get a branded website of your own for the system. You can also just send 1,000 hits to a link I send you, and that puts you on my rotator. The easiest way to send 1,000 hits is from traffic exchanges, safe lists. You can post on social media. There's hundreds of free ways for advertising out there. Okay? Do nothing else. Just send hits to a link that I send you. Okay? And if you have a problem with 1,000 hits, reply back to me. Okay? We can see about maybe a little less, or maybe there's somebody here on my team that's sending a lot of hits, that's willing to send hits for you. Okay, so I do have that option too. So we have many options here. The important thing is there's two things you need to do. Actually, the biggest thing is you need to be patient. If somebody else is sending you the hits, you need to be patient and get on the rotator. The first one is always the one that takes the longest and the hardest. And I don't know, it's 50,000 hits. We can get 4 or more signups in a week. Sometimes we only get 1 or 2 signups, okay? But you get an update at how the rotator is doing. I send out an update whenever a new member joins through the rotator. So if you're on my list, you're going to get updates, okay? So again, the simplest way to do this is just send 1,000 hits to a link that I send you, and you're on my rotator, okay? And for now, it's up to about 50,000 hits a week. You can see that's the link right there. You probably can't see that too well right here. But, and then when they get this, they can click this and enlarge it when it's sent to their either laptops or phones or anything like that. So this is, and this shows you where all the hits are coming from. This has their name right here. You see Jennifer here. You see Scott right here. You see Sean right here. You might not. It may be hard for you to see. Ansel is right here. Brenda is right here. Matthias, I just saw him. There he is. Matthias is right there. Casey is right there. So there's like over 20 people on the rotator. But hey, you know, most rotators have hundreds to thousands of people on them. Did you hear what I just said? My rotator has a little over 20 people on it. And we're getting 50,000 hits. We're just starting. This is building momentum. Oh, you're like, well, this is kind of, but I know how rotators go, and I've been there. The more people you get on the rotator, the longer it takes for you to get a sign up. On this one, the more you get on the rotator, the more hits that are sent. Okay? So if you specialize in social media or know somebody that does, send them the link to this. They can get on. If they're willing to advertise on social media, they don't need to do the 1,000 hit count, but you need to advertise on social media. Okay, I'm not talking about paid advertising either. I'm talking about daily posting, daily doing that. If you're doing social media, I will waive the 1,000 hit count. Okay, because social media is incredible, and there's nothing really better out there. Hence, I'm on YouTube and Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. Click the link below. You'll see the a page. You'll see this page come up. Just put your email in here and it'll give you the rest of the information. Okay, this is the page you'll see right here. If you set the system up, you can set the system and brand yourself in this. Okay, this is all geared for GDI, and of course Leadsleap is the marketing system that I've used to set up. Just simple share codes. There's built-in traffic to this. Okay, it was kind of like done without even thinking about it when I realized it's got built-in traffic for anybody who comes in and starts to use this. But you don't have to set this up. You can just simply, I will send you a link, and yes, there's a pop-up on it. I will send you a link. It will advertise this page. It will have your name so it shows up on hit counts. And then you just get added to my rotator. You are indefinitely added to your rotator. You get a couple signups from the rotator. They get added to the rotator because they're going to be sending traffic. Now you have 2 more spots on the rotator because they're in your team, in your downline. You earn from whatever they earn, from whoever they bring in, because they're in your downline, they're in your team. Okay, you get 5 people that come in. They're all added to the rotator indefinitely, guys. Just keep sending the traffic, okay? Unless you do social media. And then you need to send me proof that you're doing the social media, because I check on all this stuff. You've seen what I've done with my hit counts. I'm going to do the same thing with social media, okay? God bless. Take care. Let's go GDI. Let's build this. This is a 27-year company that's paid me for years. This can save a lot of people some help. This can give a lot of people extra money to help pay the groceries, help pay the bills, maybe help you take a travel on a vacation so you can see your grandkids. Okay? So let's go. I'm really excited. Click the link below if you have any questions at all. Always and forever, I am here. Please ask. Okay? God bless and take care.